Hi there, welcome to RC Scale Tales. We're back in the garage, and behind me you can see the Pinecone SG1010. This is the Series 3 short wheelbase Landrover, released recently. Hard body, 3-speed, LED lights, interior, detailed engine bay, lots of scale accessories. It looks absolutely fantastic. It was like a proper little Land Rover. One thing that did let it down when I took it out for its first run was the tyres and wheels. I've taken the stock wheels off. Here they are here. These are sort of chrome effect plastic wheels. Not great tyres. Reasonable tyre tread, but the compound is pretty rubbish. They're not even glued, and there's not even a foam inside to give the wheel any structure. So what I've done is I've fitted 4 new wheels, and these are off the MN168 Range Rover. Now when the MN168 came out last year, I'll put a photograph there, they came with slightly larger wheels and a very unusual wheel style, and it didn't actually suit the Range Rover. It's been released in a version 2, and these are the wheels that are now fitted to the Range Rover. So I got myself a set, I fitted them to this little Land Rover, and we're going to take it out on the trail and see if it actually improves the performance of this little truck. Well, I have to say, I think the addition of these MN168 wheels has improved the performance of this little Landrover tenfold. These wheels are slightly heavier, the improved tyre tread, the foams on the inside has just made the performance of this little truck so much more better. Now going forward, I have got myself a set of MN168 shocks. These are oil filled. They are 50mm. So I'm going to fit these. I've got some other things I'm going to do to the truck, and you'll see that in an up and coming video. In the comments, you'll find the unboxing video, the first run. If you enjoy the video, please give me a like. Please comment, let me know what you think about the SG1010, the video, the channel, good or bad. I will reply. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It really does help the channel going forward. We'll catch you on the next RC Scale Tales video. All the best now. Bye-bye.